Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another exciting video. Today I'm planning to make Turkish delight, which is very famous dessert around the world. It's pretty easy and very delicious, ooey, gooey, chewy dessert. Please enjoy this video and thanks for tuning in. So for this recipe, I have orange here. I have 4 oranges. Ironically, I went to my supermarket this morning and I found oranges from Turkey. So I decided to make Turkish delight. So we're gonna zest first. So now we're gonna juice the oranges. We're gonna cut it to half. So turn out this is blood oranges, not really oranges. So it's another kind of orange. It tastes like oranges, but it look reddish inside. So even better, it's gonna be reddish Turkish delight. So I got the juice here. So I'm going to strain it first. Take out all the seeds or any. Measure 2 cups of juice. So now I'm going to make sugar syrup. So I'm putting 1.5 cup of water. And 4 cup of sugar. We're going to dissolve sugar and make syrup. And also I'm adding an orange zest, which is we earlier took it out for flavor and a smell. And 1 slice of orange also. I'm going to cook everything together. So our syrup will start boiling. So we're going to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes on a medium heat until it becomes a little syrupy. It's still not there yet. So our sugar syrup is ready. We're looking at this kind of consistency. It's ready. So I'm going to turn off the heat and let it cool it down a little bit. And then we're going to strain the syrup. So for this pan, I'm going to add our 2 cup of juice. And 1 cup of water. By the way, I add a little bit of food coloring because it was a little light red, so make it a little bright. And also we adding 1 cup of corn flour to the mix. We're gonna mix everything together. For this you have to continuously whisking the liquid, otherwise chances are it's gonna burn. So you can reduce the heat also, put on the medium high. Adding a 1 teaspoon of cream of tartar. You can get it from any Middle Eastern store or any places they make dessert. They always have it. And also you can use any fruit flavor like orange, pomegranate, peaches, even lemon. You can make different flavor of the Turkish delight. You can use different kind of nuts also, walnut, almond, pistachio, coconut. See, it's getting thicker now. Keep whisking. Now I'm gonna add, I have a pistachio. You can use your choice of nuts. I have a 4 tablespoons of pistachio. I'm gonna add it to the mix. So our Turkish delight is almost ready. It's been 45 minutes I was cooking it. So we are looking for this kind of texture consistency. We're gonna put in the mold to let it rest. So our Turkish delight is ready. Around 45 minutes I cook it on the low heat. So now this is a glass dish. I already greased it up. You can use oil or butter, just grease it up. And we're gonna transfer our mix in here and let it rest. So we're gonna wrap it up and keep it in the fridge for overnight. So it's been overnight, I left it in the fridge. So we're gonna start preparing our Turkish delight. So you guys can see, look amazing. So I'm gonna turn around on the cutting. So just pull it a little bit. I'll put my knife in. Voila. I have here half a cup of sugar, powdered sugar, and half a cup of corn flour. So we're gonna mix both together. And then I'm gonna sprinkle on the top of our Turkish delight. So now we're gonna cut into bite size. You can cut any shape or size you want. Yes, you can see. You see the nuts in the middle. So now I'm gonna cut into square. See, look, very nice. And the rest I'm gonna cover all through the four side, so it's gonna look a little different than the other one. And then we're gonna shake it up a little bit and we're gonna place it in the same place. So thanks for watching this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Came out very nice, look amazing, taste amazing, color came also very nice, bright red. Turkish delights look delicious. Please do try this recipe, it's pretty easy to make and everything you find at home. And also follow us on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. If you like our video, consider subscribe our channel. I will be back pretty soon. Take care of yourself, stay safe. Allah Hafiz everyone.